The fully digital instrument cluster gives drivers the freedom to customize the information they want to see while driving. The right side of the instrument cluster displays various driver readout information, while the left side displays various media and connectivity information. Selector wheels on the left and right sides of the steering wheel control the respective left and right sides of the instrument cluster. In addition to driving information, warning messages also appear on the right side of the cluster. Roll the right selector wheel through the various warnings to acknowledge each before driving. Once warnings are cleared, continue rolling the right selector wheel to scroll through driver information readouts. Some of the options include fuel consumption, navigation directions via Apple or Google Maps, driver attention level, or having no content displayed at all. Press the right selector wheel to view more details for certain display readouts. Rolling the left selector wheel lets you scroll through audio sources like AM radio, Sirius XM, Bluetooth, and more. Press the left selector wheel when the desired audio source is highlighted. To hide driver readouts that you're unlikely to view, use the right selector wheel to scroll and select Gauge Display Settings. Then Hide Show, and then uncheck the readouts you'd like to disable. Similarly, you can hide media sources that you're unlikely to use by following the same steps on the left selector wheel. If your vehicle is equipped with the available 9-inch color touchscreen, you can further adjust your instrument cluster settings by pressing the Home button, selecting Vehicle Settings, and then Meter Setup. Here you can adjust settings such as the outside temperature display, alerts volume, and speed and distance units. To adjust the brightness of the display, use the right selector wheel to scroll and select brightness, and adjust the level by scrolling up or down.